this is where we'll be staying tonight. So it's really nice in here. As you can see, we just got in. You have a nice open space here. Nice little marble looks like floors. You got a big mirror to kind of check yourself out before you get ready to step out. Over here you have your drawers. They actually have it out in this part instead of over where the room is. You got 3 nice big drawers. Got a lamp. Then you have another set of mirrors. This is your closet, and inside we got your iron. You have your safe because, you know, sticky finger people, and then you have a little seat in with the hangers, and you want to put your shoes up on the top. So that's a nice size space there. On here we have the bathroom. It's a little small, but nice vanity view. This is really good for your makeup, doing your hair. Make sure you're getting all your edges. And you also have your side mirror to get up close for what you need to see. You got your nice little lotions and stuff. Those are always good to take as memories. Behind the door we just have a standard shower here. Standard shower, nothing spectacular about it. So, but it's a nice bathroom overall. I like how they have it's very clean. And then underneath the sink here, we have the shelves with the towels. That's really cute. You don't have to worry about them, you know, kind of hanging up. So that's a really good look there. And then on out to the room here. So we have a refrigerator.
Refrigerator?
We have a refrigerator.
Wow. Oh, she said it's
stocked.
Yeah.
But we're not touching anything in here. This is off limits. Everything, all that. And then you also have more drawers over here.
What do I see?
Let's see if we got some more lights. There we go. A little bit better. Yeah. So we have more drawers over here. Nice size drawers for clothing. And then the nice little office space here. We got some plugs. Oh, they got a lot of nice plugs. You know, if you brought your Fire Stick, or you have for your power, for your phone, you got a set of plugs here, and then you got your 2 for your phone. That's really nice too. Nice TV, Samsung, okay? Up on the wall, very nice. Let's see if it comes out and pivots. No, it stuck there. Then you have your 2 beds, really nice headboards. Oh, got your little pillow on there.
Get some lights.
That's very nice. You got your lights here. Still a little dark, but a little light at the same time. Nice pillow, nice setup here with the bed. Leather headboard. Very nice. And you also have a light over the bed. Now that's really cute. And then you still, of course, you always have, you know, your notepad with your pen. And then they don't have a Bible in here. Oh, yes,
Bible.
they do.
Leave without the Bible.
Gotta have your Bible. Yes. And then my cousin is so great. She got us a strip view. That is
beautiful.
amazing.
That's beautiful. I have to show it in the daytime because it's got this glare on it, but that's beautiful. Wow. Yes, it's gorgeous.
And that was a tour of our room for the Mirage at Las Vegas. So you should most definitely stay here at least once on your visit. Seems like it's going to be great.